The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Tenisha Yancey. While in court, there will be no talking, sleeping, chewing of gum, or reading any material. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Attorney Nance, are we ready to proceed on Lakia Bryant?
Yes, Judge, we are. Ms. Bryant is actually on a phone, so we need to bring her out of the breakout room, and I'm unsure of how to do that.
Okay, let me see if I can do it on my end and.
What's her name? Ms. Lakia.
Lakia Bryant. I do.
Are you sure I did?
Oh, you did? Thank you. Ms. Bryant, are you able to hear us?
Yes. Hello?
I'm getting ready to call your case. 1 moment, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the people versus Lakia Bryant, ticket number P1277026. 1 count of driving while license suspended. Please state your appearances for the record, starting with the attorney.
Good morning, Judge. May it please the court, Janecki Nance, P 68686, appearing on behalf of Ms. Bryant. Ms. Bryant, would you please state your name for the record?
Lakia Bryant.
Judge, she doesn't.
Today is the date and time set for the show cause. Attorney Nan, how would you like to proceed on this matter?
Judge, as it relates to the show cause, we're going to ask if it's any cases or anything that may be out there that be set aside. As it relates to the arraignment, we waive formal reading, stand mute to the charge as that a not guilty plea be entered.
Okay, this court will enter a not guilty plea and set this matter for pretrial. Was there a specific date that you were looking for? I thought you were just adjourning this matter. I thought that we were adjourning the show cause, but are we actually just setting this for pretrial?
Judge, if we can set it for a pretrial, I did have an opportunity to speak with Madam Corporation Counsel regarding this matter. There are some things that Ms. Bryant is going to do to try to resolve this matter as it relates to her license. So we're asking the court to give her maybe a month's time period to get that done. Ms. Bryant, do you think that that's enough time?
Yes.
I can give her a date of. 1 moment. So March 6th, 2023, is that enough time for you?
Yes.
Okay, so March 6th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. You'll be back here on the same Zoom room set for pretrial. We will set aside any warrants that are out there, and you are all set.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. No, Judge. Thank you.
What's your matter, Ms. Bryant? You're welcome to go.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Hello?
I'll try to let you out. You can hang up your phone, Ms. Bryant. You can
Okay.
hang up.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any other matters that we're ready to go on, Council?
There may be, Judge, what time does the court call your no police officer matters that's scheduled for trial?
9:10, well, no, about 9:30. 9:30, no
Okay.
later than 10.
Okay, Judge, we are ready on Keith Baker.
Okay, 1 moment.
I also have one like that that'll be ready after Miss Nance.
Okay,
What's the name of it?
what's yours, Counselor?
It is Darian Bryant.
You still working on that?
She thinks the officer isn't here, officer May.
Okay.
So no, Your Honor, because since I know, well, you can, because if another clerk is in here, they wouldn't know, because since I know you.
Right. So I'm going to set aside warrants on this, just to get in the habit of it,
Yes,
and then zero by.
okay.
Okay. Is that the one that's gonna be? Get Mr. Baker out of the breakout room. And if you can, Attorney Wilkerson, if you want, you can go ahead and have your client come out of the breakout room on their own, but tell them to press mute and do not come in talking. We'll call their case next. Mr. Baker?
Yes, hello.
Mr. Baker, hear us? Okay. Now calling the People versus Keith Dwayne Baker, ticket number U 634-68622. One count of offering to engage the services of a prostitute. Mr. Baker, I'm sorry, please state your appearances for the record, starting with the attorney.
May it please the court, Janeki Nance appearing on behalf of Mr. Baker. Mr. Baker, would you please state your name for the record?
Keith Baker.
Judge, today's the date and time set for trial regarding Mr. Baker's matters. The defense is ready to proceed. The officer who issued the ticket, I do not believe it checked in with the court. If the officer has not checked in with the court, Judge, we're moving to dismiss without prejudice.
One moment, I'm just checking and rechecking the breakout room to ensure that the officer is not here. The court notes that it is 10:05 a.m. The date and time set for this trial was 8:35 this morning, and we do not have an officer that has appeared. Therefore, this matter will be dismissed. Mr. Baker? Mr. Baker, consider this a very lucky day for you today, since the officer is not here. But you may want to refrain from, if there was activity, you may want to refrain from this type of activity going forward.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. You won't never hear from me no more.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Take
And
care.
yeah, thank you. And attorney, I appreciate your help. And how can I get my car?
That you will have to
How can I get my car back?
contact DPD. You could contact Detroit Police Department to find out how do you go about getting your car.
I can contact who?
Detroit Police Department.
Okay, I will. Thank you very much. You won't never hear from me no more. I learned my lesson just to be in the area.
Okay, great. Have a good day. You go ahead
Yeah,
and log
you
off.
too. Thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ready to proceed on Mr. Bryant.
Field Manager Wilkerson, PA 1003 on behalf of Mr. Bryant.
I'm sorry, I was just asking if you were ready to go on
Oh,
him.
yes, I am ready, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna call the case. Give me one moment. Now calling the People versus Darian Powell Bryant, ticket number 454094. One count of no insurance. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Field Manager Wilkerson, PA 1003 on behalf of Mr. Bryant. Mr. Bryant, please unmute yourself and state your full name for the record.
Darian Powell Bryant.
Your Honor, at this time, this matter has been set for trial on today. The officer or complainant witness on this matter is not present. We move for dismissal.
Okay, the court takes note that we do not have an officer who has checked in this morning. The time is now 10:07 a.m. This matter was set for trial at 8:35 this morning. Therefore, this case will be dismissed. Mr. Bryant, make sure that you have your insurance and all of your documentation in the vehicle with you going forward.
Okay, thank you, appreciate it.
You have a good day.
You too.
Are there any others that we're ready to go on?
Harvey Bond, the prosecutor gave the recommendation on that, and that's a retained attorney.
Okay.
So I need to ask Ms. Bean, I need her to come in because she said Attorney Fritz is her attorney, but he never checked in. So I
So
need
you
to,
wanna pull her out?
yeah, I'll pull her out and I'm gonna pull out Attorney Perlin for Bond.
Okay, let me do bond first and the attorney for bond,
Okay.
and then are you able to chat with her for now?
I actually accidentally asked her to come. So
Okay, no worries.
And then this is retained and the interpreter case.
Retain the interpreter.
Yes.
Thank you. I asked him to come back to the main session, so hopefully he'll come. Okay, so I'm gonna close all the rooms right now and then, yeah.
And you want me to put them out and like,
Okay,
that's what we're doing before we go.
okay. So, okay.
We'll talk about it because it may not work that way.
Attorney. I mean, Attorney Pearl. Yeah, they're gonna close in 21 seconds.
on this, please.
Yes. 13 seconds.
Hello?
Place your phones on mute. We're putting you all into the main session to put you into the waiting room so that I can easily pull you into this room when it's time for your case to be called. The attorney on Harvey Bond, are you ready to proceed?
Are you saying?
Yes, I'm ready to proceed. I don't believe an officer's appeared.
Okay. The rest of you, please put your phones on mute and you will be placed in a waiting room momentarily.
Judge, hi, this is Attorney Jeff Perlman on behalf of Harvey Bond. May I waive my client's appearance?
Okay.
Thank you.
Now calling the people versus Harvey Bond. Case number 0U47186718. One count of work conduct.
If I can interrupt for just a moment, it's the court reporter here. There's some clicking going on. And it's-
That's why I was called. That's why I was called, and I apologize. We were printing
Oh.
On another matter. So
I see.
called.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, I do apologize for that. So recalling the people versus Harvey Bond, ticket number U 471866718. one count of disorderly conduct, ticket number U455-29318. That is actually scheduled for pretrial on 12/9. We got that for Madam Court Reporter. That one is not to be heard until December 9th. I would have liked to get them done at once.
That's why I pulled them, so we can. I thought-
Okay.
Mr. Harvey, were you able to work out a deal on both of these matters? I know that one is set for trial, but did you realize that there was another matter set for pretrial on December 9th for your client?
On December 9th?
December 9th pretrial? I'm sorry, February 9th.
Okay, no, I was not aware. But if we could work, if I could set that matter for bench trial and then resolve the bench trial matter today, that would be great.
Okay, so just for a clear record, Madam Court Reporter, we are calling both cases U47186718, one count of disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for a trial in that matter, and U455-29318, one count of disorderly conduct that is scheduled for pre-trial on December 9th. We will handle both matters today. Please state your appearances for the record, starting with Ms. Hurd. February.
Good morning, Judge Jeff Perlman on behalf of Harvey Bond.
Okay, Mr. Perlman, how would you like to proceed on the ticket number U47186718 scheduled for trial today?
Judge, my understanding that the complaining witnesses did not appear. I'd like to request a dismissal.
These are the two tickets both are set for today for trial. So we will move to dismiss both of these matters as opposed to scheduling one for a trial in the future. They'll both be dismissed. The court has taken note that the officer has not checked in this matter. It is now 10:14 a.m. Therefore, this matter is dismissed.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
You as well. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
You'll be placed in a waiting room until your case is called. Ms. Bear, who are you here on?
But Banan Mustafa.
Okay, I'll call that one next.
All right. After our next one, but I'll.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, he has the interpreter, and I didn't get the offer to give him a chance to talk to him about it.
Okay, would you like to be placed in I think he's still in a breakout room, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just double check.
Waiting room, so I'll bring the interpreter, and I don't know which one he is, because his name is not on here anymore. He was an iPhone, so I'm gonna bring two
Both of the
iPhones.
iPhones in.
He is.
Bonnie Mustafa, we need you to make yourself present. Bonnie Mustafa, Madam, the interpreter,
He's here.
okay. So Madam Interpreter, we're gonna place you both back into a breakout room to talk to your attorney again because she now has an offer.
Thank you. اوكي اخ مصطفى.
نعم.
راح أروح على غرفة الانتظار عشان نتكلم مع المحامية في عندها offer يعني عرض. اوكي.
Okay.
Okay. So then I just need to offer.
اوكي العرض راح يكون
Hello? I don't know how this works.
Hello?
Please place your phone on mute unless we are speaking to you. Attorney Melita, are you close to are we able to scan and email the offer to you, or would you like me to just tell you what the offer is?
You tell it.
I can't, you broke up.
I said you can email or you can say it. Fine.
Okay, if you're comfortable with me saying it, it is to plead guilty as charged to ticket P1361335, count 2. Responsible as charged to count 1, or P13628 to count 1 as charged, and dismiss the remaining 3.
Well, Judge, now that you did that, I do need you to email it to me. I couldn't do it that quick. Let me give you my email.
I'm gonna give it to the court reporter so that she can send that to you.
Could you put it in the chat for me so I don't have any error?
Okay, hold on.
Court is in recess for a moment.
Okay.
Okay, this is Melita Bear. My question is the clerk emailing that or is the court reporter emailing it?
Okay, if you put your, the clerk, so I'm gonna be, I think I'm labeled courtroom clerk on there.
Okay, well, I put my email in chat. And could you also send me a copy of those tickets? Have it?
A copy of the tickets?
Yes, ma'am. And for Bon and Mustafa, we didn't get a time for them.
You're breaking up terribly.
Yeah.
Really?
Are you connected to the internet?
No, I don't know. Can you hear me? Maybe I should try and call back in because I don't know what's going on.
It's better now, but it's like every time, sometimes it's really good, and then at other times when you're speaking, neither myself or the interpreter is able to hear you clearly.
Okay, well, you know what? I'm gonna hang up and call back in and see if that helps.
Okay.
Yeah, Your Honor, it's a lot of breakout, so I can't understand what's going on, what she was saying. Sorry.
Are you able to understand me okay?
No, her.
Okay, so she just said that she's gonna hang up and call back in so that you can understand, so that we can try to get a clearer connection.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Miss, she's been sent the 2 different emails, one with the tickets and one with the offer.
Person calling in from 313-208-5915. What's your name?
Susan Burton.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you clearly.
Susan Burton.
Are you just getting here for your 8:30 court case?
Yes, I just called.
Yep, Susan.
I'm sorry,
I just called.
you just called. Why didn't you call in at 8:30, Miss Susan?
Because I had to go downtown to get the information how to Zoom, and then I just got it. 9 o'clock,
Okay,
I got this
you
here.
drove down to the court this morning to get that information?
Yes,
Okay, I am going to place you in a room. So you haven't spoken to an attorney as of yet either, right?
no,
Okay, so you'll be placed in a breakout room to speak to an attorney.
okay.
to, how could we close the room? So if we open them, while people are, they'll go back to them, just ask them not to accept to join. Nobody. accepts it. No, they shouldn't be requesting. Yeah. So if you open them, I don't think the people in the waiting room is going to request, because they're now outside for our meeting. I think the people who are in here are going to get requests. Nobody to join except for Susan. Yeah.
I am getting ready to open a breakout room. You all are going to get a message to move into the breakout room. Please do not move into the breakout room except for Susan. Susan Burton, when you see the breakout room open, you need to put yourself into the breakout room from your phone, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Your Honor, she's actually calling in on the phone. She may not be able to do that. You may have to move her.
Okay, so Madam Clerk is gonna move her into the breakout room. And which one of you should we move? And I believe you two can move yourself into the breakout room still, right? I don't know which one of you are gonna handle that matter.
أخ محمد، لا أنت لا تكبس على هذا الزر.
I can go in and talk with her, Your Honor.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put her in breakout. What breakout room?
I did.
She just moved downstairs.
Okay, Your Honor, I was just telling to Muhammad Bani Mustafa, do not press anything, do not click anything. It's not for us.
Understood.
She fell off.
So while we were trying to move Ms. Burton into a breakout room, we lost her. So as soon as she gets back on, I will let you guys know, one of you know. I believe it was Attorney Nancy said you'll handle that matter.
I can, Judge. That's not a problem.
Okay. And are we ready to proceed on any other?
Your Honor, we're waiting for.
That council.
Oh, here she is. She's back. No, she's here.
She's back here now?
Yes.
Okay. Attorney Bear, you back with us?
Yes, can you hear me better?
We can hear you better now. So
Okay.
we're now gonna put you, did you receive the offer yet?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
So we're gonna put you in the breakout room.
Okay.
And Your Honor, also us too, because it's the offer for join, it's disappeared from me.
I'm sorry, what disappeared?
The offer to put us on the break room. Can you resend it again?
Yeah, we're getting ready to put you in a different breakout room. This one is only for you. So everyone else, you're gonna see you're gonna see a message to move into the breakout room unless you are the interpreter or Melita Baird, and you can tell your client, you can tell the client to move into the breakout room when we give you that message.
Okay, أخ محمد بني مصطفى. اوكي انت ما بس ولا اشي الا اجالك العرض انه طلبوا من عندنا انه احنا ننتقل الى غرفة الانتظار مع المحامية. اوكي
Okay.
اوكي he got it.
Madam Interpreter, you should be in breakout room 13. You should have received the message as well to say for you to go to breakout room 13. You didn't get it?
No, that's why I was asking.
I'll do it again. After you asked, I moved you to 13. Here, what I'm gonna do, let me know if it says that you're there, you have to accept it.
There's no offer.
Your Honor, if I may, Miss Interpreter, you have to go, if you see the 4 squares, do you see the 4 squares that say breakout rooms?
No, just only I saw like my screen. That's it. And
No, I
me.
mean like on the on the buttons that's on your device. Are you on a phone or a laptop?
No, iPad.
You may have to swipe your screen. The prompt is not gonna pop up anymore. You have to go click the 4 squares that say breakout rooms to go back, because you've already been assigned to a breakout room.
Yeah, there's nothing popping up. I can't see all my. Okay, hold on one second. Join. Okay,
Yes.
I see that popping up right now. Okay, 13. Just want to make sure.
13 is the room that they're waiting for you in.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If I'm not mistaken, we have. So we're in a brief recess for Madam Clerk to get back from a break. When she comes back, I should be ready to go on DeAndre Brooks. Is there a retained counsel on DeAndre Brooks?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
And have you received the offer?
I have not. I haven't spoke with the prosecutor since last week.
Are you both comfortable with me reading the offer right now?
That'd be great if you don't mind, Judge.
Okay, on DeAndre Brooks, the offer is to plead guilty to SP 126-25553. And then responsible to count 1 on that same ticket. The plea for the count 3 is to plead to speeding 1 to 5 over. So the amended charge to 1 to 5 over. Plea responsible to count 1 as charged. Dismiss SP 128-44351, I believe. Dismiss SP 138-77651. And dismiss SP 138-77111.
Okay, I'm gonna need to go through all this. He's got a lot going on here.
Do you prefer us to try to email this to you?
Yeah, that would be a lot easier for me. Thank you.
What's your email address?
C like cat, Miller, my last name, at DetroitLegalGroup.com.
Spelled group out?
Yep. All of it spelled out, all one word.
Okay, I'll have her send this over to you. Is there anyone in the waiting room that have you all received offers on anyone at all, or do we need to email you those as well?
No, Judge, we're waiting for the offers.
I have one offer I can give right now that I just wrote for Susan Burton.
Okay,
She has 2 counts, 1 count off docket. For the U ticket on docket will be a 6-month delayed sentence. And then as a U ticket for disorderly conduct 2018 that's off docket will be dismissed.
so let me ask this, Sydney, what's the disorderly conduct? Exactly what's the,
I have ROAs on both of them, so I don't know.
okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Is that the one you just gave her the offer on?
Yes.
So, which one, was it Nancy's handling that? Are you able to move yourself and her into the breakout room?
Judge, I believe did she disconnect? I thought she disconnected.
So who's the iPhone then? Can I? We have another just iPhone.
Listen, man.
Rename her. I think it was a man. Okay, so if and when Miss Burton comes back, if you could move you two into the breakout room. iPhone, go ahead and take yourself back off, put your camera back on. What's your name?
DeAndre Brooks.
Oh,
Okay. And so I'm gonna have to have you and your attorney go into a breakout room. We received an offer from the prosecutor that he's gonna discuss with you.
Okay.
So you should get, and if you don't get a message to move into the breakout room, I need you to go into the more section and join the breakout room yourself, but I'm gonna do it right now.
yes. I'm on. Yeah. Now, ask him his middle name, please. We have two DeAndre Brooks.
What's your middle name, Mr. Brooks? We have two DeAndre Brooks on the docket today.
Jerome.
Jerron?
Jerome.
Jerome.
That's the one, that's retained.
Okay. And you do have retained counsel, correct?
Yes.
I don't know where he went though. He was just here.
I just talked to him off my I texted him. He told me he is in here.
Okay, I'm gonna move you into breakout room 1 with your attorney.
Okay.
You should have a message to click. So, I just put your client into breakout room 1. Did you receive the offer?
Hopefully, I did send it.
So we have a lot of people in this waiting room.
Yeah, so here's, I mean, they are ready, because she
I just
gave
have to
the
read off.
offer. Yeah. She gave the offer.
So I'm gonna read off the offer to you both. I guess that's the quickest way to do these.
Okay.
On Zakaya Burton. She can plead responsible to 1260860, count 1, limited access 1 to 5, and dismiss count 2.
Wait, this was on, you said Zakai Burton?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't have the second charge because it's not on the docket. I just see a driving license suspended, so the other one was a speeding.
The other one was disregard traffic control device. And
Okay.
so it being going to default, which in that case, I'll set aside the default since now the prosecutor was able to give us a really decent deal to set aside I'll set aside that default. And then she pleads, if she pleads to count 1, limited access 1 to 5 over, and then we'll dismiss count 2, which is the driving while license suspended.
Okay.
And then we have next one is Jamar Ballard. And that offer is to Jamar Ballard is, the offer is to plead guilty to 64515, count 1 and 2. Count 1, I think, do you want him to successfully complete a specialty course? I shouldn't have marked that. It's a line going from, here, I'll give it to you. You may want to just, do you want to read these to them?
Yeah, I can read them. Here you go. I was probably just.
Just because I can't read your writing as well as you probably can.
Oh, yeah, no, I understand that. Oh, sorry, my line is just too long on this one. Okay, on Ballard, it will be 2 FTD, I'm sorry, 1 FTD.
Okay.
1 improper plates. 1.
Did Mr. Ballard only have the 2 charges or he had more, Sydney?
Nope, I still have more. I
Okay.
have a disregarding red signal that'll be amended to limited access 1 to 5. Expired plates as charged, dismissal the balance, which is 5 counts. So 4 pleas, 5 dismissals. Ballard? Tomorrow.
Okay.
Next, Demario Banford.
Okay,
I have 11 counts.
woo, okay.
It'll be 2 failure to displays, 3 improper plates, dismissal of the balance,
Okay,
which
thank
is
you.
6 counts. There's
Okay,
quite a few civil infractions that I cannot address due to age.
got it.
Next is Destiny Burks. I have 4 counts.